And of course, from the V to the J to GHBL is it. Call me VJ Jobless, you one and only favorite from another VJ Ade-Akanfe. This is Opomo Show. This is the Rejoice World event. But I remember almost of that film now VJ Jobless. Everybody now with the physical appearance of. My name is Champion Kempo.
My name is Aokpeju Timlane Peter.
My name is Femi, well known as Marry Me.
Mr. Abiru Wakpelumi.
Hi everyone, my name is Benjamin, aka Ben Drizzy. Ladies and gentlemen, those meeting me at home, I go by the name Blapo CFR.
Scary programs. Now, it's as if the Nepals are watching with you, sir. So when it is around, maybe they have killed people, they have finished people's destiny, everybody has died. Around 11, 12 in our loss, sir. When everybody is scared. Now, everybody is not scared. Where you not be something like Taiwo, Tanini, Enikani. Where that one is, you know, Shegun, Kini Gani Melara, Kini Melara. Now, your mommy that is there, she has to be like, Taiwo, Loka, Showanita.
Yomi Akmana, no me give boy. What's the keep boy loco? How you doing? Thank you for having us here.
Obati money, oh she bebe, ó lajú afọ́jú, ó tún jí òkú dìde, owó ní sun ẹ̀jẹ̀ san, òkú ọmọ Jáírù, ó rọ̀jò máa nà ó, omi òkùnkùn pa níyà, omi jáde nínú àpáta, ṣe wá rí bó ṣe gudugudu méje, yàyà mẹ́fà, ó ń ṣe bẹ̀bẹ̀. Mo lè jó lórí agolo ó bí Jésù gbà mí láyè. Mo lè jó lórí agolo. I can do like this, I can do like that. I balance well. Mo lè ṣe báyìí dọ̀la bàbá tó dá mi sí.
Thanks so much. So how do you feel around today?
I'm very happy. I'm happy I came through for my guy. He has been a very good friend and a very close friend. So I'm happy I'm here for him and I'm happy I'm here for Jesus.
And of course, this is the moment we've been expecting. I would love to invite to the red carpet session now, MC Beus, the host and the convener of Rejoice 1.0. Aye. Officially, can you please say your name to your viewers out there? Beus.
Okay, my name is Ade-Akanfe, Adebayomi Philip, Oluwashini Ayomi, Olanrewaju Akanfe.
Abba Father, I worship you. I join the angels to give you praise. My Savior, eternal one marine king, you deserve it. Take all glory, all of my thanks.
I give to you, O Lord. You deserve it, Lord. All of my thanks. You have been my help since ages past. Day after day, you keep showing me your love.
The mighty hand of God will rest upon your life. The Lord will fan you out and it will increase you. You will go far. I say you will go far. I say you will go far. Grace comes upon you. Unction comes upon you. Oh, ni jore luju.
wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá mi ṣe wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá mi ṣe.
I'm just so speechless right now. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you very much for coming. Mommy, thank you very much. Pablo, thank you very much.